Hello everyone. In today's project we will be learning how to use the if-else and the elseif statements. Step 1 is to add in the if-else and elseif blocks from the logic section. Place the if block first. Place the elseif block below the if block. Now add in the else block after the elseif block. Now from the logic section we pick up the equation blocks. Add in the equation blocks inside the if and elseif blocks. Now we add in the input blocks from the statements section. Insert these input blocks inside the equation blocks. Now we insert the print blocks from the statements section into the blocks. Now we head back to the equation blocks and enter the names. Enter the same names in the first and second print blocks. Enter stranger in the last print block. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. The output asks for the name. Enter the name and observe the output. Similarly, we can use these blocks for different equations.